Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. I'm Tiana. I'm a project manager by day and an avid card maker by night. Keep watching to see how to make this Happy New Year's card. Shown and listed here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. I've also included links to the specific items that I used in the description box below. The first step of this card is to make the glittery champagne bottle using whatever color glitter paper you choose. I obviously use gold. So the first step is take your template that you've drawn out and cut and then trace over that onto your glitter paper. So I of course traced the bottle and then the cork, and then I also free-handed in what will be kind of champagne, or kind of the champagne that's spurting out of the bottle that you'll also glue on. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, apologies that you can't really see the lines here, simply cut everything out using your scissors. Once everything is cut out, take the bottle and place it on the left bottom corner of the card at a bit of a diagonal angle. You can change the angle slightly depending on the look you're going for. And then take the cork and simply place that a couple inches above the top of the bottle, and then arrange kind of those random champagne bits that are coming out of the bottle between the top of the bottle and the cork, like you can see here. Once you have everything in the spot that you want it, simply take your whatever glue that you're using and glue on all of these pieces. Once the glue is dry, simply flip the card over and trim off the excess pieces of glitter paper from the bottle. I obviously kind of drew a pencil line to cut along, and then I used a bigger pair of scissors just to make it a little bit easier and trimmed those pieces off. Once your sparkly bottle component is done, you need to add in the text. So I started by writing in the words in pencil first. I just free-handed that in. And if you want a template for the text, check out the description box below. Once I was happy with the text, I switched over to my gold pen and simply traced over what I had previously drawn in pencil. And once you've completed that, this fun, simple Happy New Year's card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. If you do, tag Design, Draw, Create Limited on Instagram. I'd love to see what you've made. Thanks for watching.